Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REDBEAT E3 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's open the dialer and start with the easiest code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now another code, which is *#225#*#. So here we've got the calendar info. You can check the events which are gathered in one place. You can check some family events, holidays in your country, or events attached to your mail. Let's go back and another code, which is *#426#*#. And here we are in the diagnostics, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected. After tapping on events, we can check some further details. Wait a second, because I forgot to say other options. You can tap on the three dots icon also to show advanced view. Just tap on it. If it is marked, you can tap on the status again, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the last being or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code. It is *#4636#*#. And here we are in the testing mode. So for example, we can check Wi-Fi information. It is divided into the API configuration and the status. We can, for example, check the stats, and just like the SSID or network ID, you can also run ping test here. The configuration, so here you've got the technical information and the API, so you can, for example, enable network or disable it. User statistics, so basically here you've got the list of apps which are currently installed and ongoing on this device. You can sort them by usage time or last time use or app name. And the phone information, where you can check the email number, for example, phone number, roaming, data service, or voice service. Here you can run ping test also, and after tapping on the three dots icon, you can view service dialing numbers or enable data connection. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.